Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Jakara, and today I'm going to be building a step from my patio to my garden path, and if you want to see how that turns out, then stay tuned.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
Okay, so this is the area that I'm going to be working on today, and hopefully I can get this all done today. If not, I'll try to finish it by tomorrow. But basically what I want to do is make a couple of stairs into the garden path that I had built last week, and just, have a way to get onto the path without putting more pavers, because this part of the yard is significantly lower than the path. It's about 4 to 5 inches lower than the path, and so either I can try to build up this area, or I could just try to make make the brick steps lead up to the path. So I'd rather do that instead of like adding dirt or trying to, because it's going to be uneven anyway, so we might as well have a slow gradual step up into the path. So let's get to it. I'm going to remove these bricks. I kind of set them down how I wanted them, and now I'm going to remove them. So these bushes are really in my way. This one in particular, by the path when you first walk in. So I have to chop back some of these branches and everything. So I'm going to do that now. All right, you guys, I had to come in. The mosquitoes were tearing me up. And my neighbors started playing loud music, so that was going to make it hard for me to videotape, but I'll be back at it tomorrow. First thing, when it's not so hot, and hopefully the mosquitoes won't be so prevalent. Alright, so I filled in the threshold here with some bricks. The threshold between the pavers of the patio and where the steps are going to start. So I plan on doing, I want to do 2 big stairs. So I think the first set of stairs are going to come here, right where my foot is, and go about to right there. And then the next set will be up to the paver. So we'll see how this goes. I got some mortar and have water here, so I'm gonna start mixing that. I think I'm gonna put my base layer down first and then mix my mortar. Yeah.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel caught in a midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck.
Okay, so we got the main foundation down. I still have to add some mortar to those back bricks, but the first step is going to start here, and then one full step, and then the next one is here. So I'm going to lay a better mortar down and then add the bricks on top, and then we should be done. So I'm gonna take a break and then I'll be back after I give my back a little break. So we'll finish up in a few. Okay, so I'm back from my break and the sun has come out. So I have to work really fast with this mortar that I bought because it's like rapid set mortar. It literally sets like in 2 minutes. So that's why I'm kind of like mixing small batches at a time so that I can get the bricks down and placed in time. Otherwise, if I mix too much, it gets too hard and I can't really use the mortar the way I want to. So I'm going to start building the steps up now. I'm going to start with the back step that's closest to the paver patio.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know?
All right, so I got the 2 steps done. I need some more mortar to fill in the little ridges on the sides, just to make it stronger. And then I'm gonna try to clean off whatever mortar is like on top of the bricks, so that it doesn't like stay covered in mortar like this. So I need more water. I'm gonna go get some more water and then I'll be right back.
You only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder.
All right, you guys, so it's done and it's gonna bake in the sun and dry, and it's not the prettiest, but it is functional. I can walk on it. Like I said, I use fast setting mortar, so easy to walk on it, and I don't think anyone will trip. It's pretty even as best as I could. Some of the bricks are just, no matter what I did, I couldn't get them exactly level, but yeah, it's not the most pretty, but I'm glad I did it. This is the first time I've ever done this, so if you're an expert at this, please give me some grace. I know I didn't do everything correctly. I just wanted to get it done, and make it functional. And it is not aligned with the path. So, because I have this flower box here, this flower garden box here, garden bed. So I'm going to have to kind of remedy that by putting bricks along the side here, and I have plenty of them left. Plenty of bricks left, so I can do that, but that's for a later job. For right now, it works perfectly for what I need it to work for, and it's a good experience, if nothing else. All right, my lovelies, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it and helps get my video pushed out to more people. I would love to have you here as part of my community, so if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribing. It's free, and hitting the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Now, I have been uploading on Mondays and Thursdays. I might just go back to Mondays only because I tend to do really big projects and it takes a lot of time. It takes more time than I think it's going to take. So I might just go back to 1 video a week, or I might keep it as 2 videos a week. We'll see. You guys let me know down below what you'd like. If you want to keep the Thursday ones, we'll keep the Thursday ones. They just don't get as many views. So anyway, I'd like to shout out to any of my followers who have done this brickwork before and know how hard it is. And I hope wherever you are, you have a great day or night, and I will see you in the next video. Until I see you next time, take care.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?